Guys, Inno Sadiki is already getting brand deals to sponsor her on their new space, I guess. I just decided to cut the audio for this video, but basically she was just explaining that thanks to this certain brand, they are helping her and her family to just make their new temporary space to be as comfortable as possible. So I guess maybe they are renting somewhere and they're just trying to make ends meet. So yeah, guys, it's a really great thing. I guess that video that they took during the fire is starting to pay off, unlike H&M, who refused to give them their discounts, who refused to give them, I don't know what they were looking for exactly, discounts or vouchers. But guys, we can't blame H&M for not giving them discounts and vouchers. Like, I guess they just treat anyone as equal. I really don't know how the H&M process works with regards to vouchers and discounts and all, but yeah, her sister made a video that she went to H&M and reminded them that they are always donating for them for charity. Can they please help out? And H&M was like, nope, we really cannot do that. And now I'm just so upset because now they are blaming the cashier. I'm just like, I'm confused, guys. I'm confused. Why? Please subscribe and like. I'll see you on my next